Okay, let's do some meditation. Seminar desk morning meditation. Calm down and start the day with a happy, light, relaxed, and smiling mind and heart. So we find a comfortable position and a position which allows us to be alert and relaxed at the same time. So we keep our back straight, our head straight, our chin tucked in a little bit. And we scan our bodies for any tension there may be in the head or the shoulders, the arms, torso, legs, feet. And if we notice any tension in any part of the body, we recognize that and just let go of that tension. And then we take 3 deep breaths, and with each exhalation we let go of more tension. Then we smile, little Buddha smile on our face, with our mouth and eyes. We smile with our minds and in our hearts. We relax and we smile. And we open all our sense doors. We experience our body, the wholeness of our body. We may have our eyes open or closed as we wish. And we just be aware of any experience that we're aware of. Wherever our attention may be drawn, may it be a visual sight, maybe a flower, or a leaf, or any other object of sight. May it be sound, presumably a motorbike or a bird singing, or the sound of the AC or fan, or people speaking, whatever it may be, whatever sparks our interest and our curiosity. So whatever stands out in our experience, in our field of awareness, and wherever attention is drawn, we consciously and deliberately choose this object as our object of focus, of attention. Let's say it's a certain sound. So be very gentle. We don't try to quote unquote concentrate or focus or intensely focus or put our attention on the object of meditation, but in a very light and gentle way. Just to have an anchor so that we notice whether attention is loosely resting on the object of meditation, or whether attention is drawn in to a thought. So when attention is drawn to a thought, we just recognize that, let the thought be. We relax, we smile, and we very gently bring attention back to our chosen object of meditation. And while being relaxed and smiling and very loosely resting attention on our chosen object of meditation, like thoughts may still appear, but we're not concerned with that. Thoughts may appear about something that happened in the past or that didn't happen, or that may happen or may not happen in the future, or about the present, like, I like this, I don't like this. Whatever it may be, we don't suppress or push away any experience, any thoughts, or any other experience or sensation or emotion for that matter. And at the same time, we also don't follow any thought or any other experience besides what we have chosen consciously, deliberately as our object of meditation for the time being. Whenever we notice that attention was drawn to a different experience, a thought, for example, we recognize this and we celebrate this moment of having woken up, of having recognized, attention is on a thought or this thought. And actually, what the intention was, that intention rests on the chosen object of meditation. So we just recognize that, celebrate that moment, relax, smile, and gently and lightly return to the chosen object of meditation. keep smiling and relaxing and being open. We now become aware of all the good qualities we have and we are developing right now. The qualities of mindfulness and awareness and joy and peace and understanding and whatever other qualities we may develop or have developed. And we dedicate all of these qualities and whatever we may have, whatever positive we have developed, whatever benefit and good we have developed, we dedicate this to all beings in the universe, visible and invisible to us. That all beings in the whole universe, going from people around us in everyday life, or people that are close to us and that we know, to people that we see or meet every day, like in more general, going outside, maybe at the store, etc., to our village and town, and island. We're all on islands in a way. In the whole world, the whole galaxy, and all the universes. Or universe, I don't know. Make a wish that all beings may be free of pain and free of suffering and the causes of pain and suffering, and may experience happiness, well-being, care, understanding, wisdom, and insight. And may experience the causes for these to come to fruition.